she was the best person to work with. She really engaged the audience. She gave really helpful feedback and interacted, and it was wonderful.
That's one main element. And the second element I would have to say today is really the understanding of the employee engagement and being there for your team when they need you the most and not looking at it just purely from the bottom line.
Lisa is very humorous, but she has a great message about how to engage your employees and talking about gratefulness and how you can use that to make a difference in people's lives.
Hey, the biggest takeaway I had from Lisa's program was just a reminder that it's so important to create a culture of gratitude in our companies, to be thankful for the people that we have.
I think the biggest takeaway I had today was that I am going to write personal notes to all my employees, thanking them for when they do good things.
We've brought Lisa to 2 of our events now, and I can say the best thing about working with her, well, she's just super easy to work with, and she keeps all of our attendees engaged, and they're talking about her session, long after it's over, so we're happy to have her.
She did a spectacular job engaging each one of our leaders and being able to have them think about how they could personally, within their department and the institution as a whole, implement the concepts that she talked about.
And my biggest takeaway is to ensure that I send a grateful message to my employees every day so that they can know why they need to be grateful.
We had Lisa Ryan recently at our annual summit. She's fantastic to work with and our attendees loved her. I would highly recommend.
I really enjoyed Lisa Ryan's talk today, and I think my biggest takeaway is I'm going to do all I can to understand what motivates personally each of my employees and my team members.
There are a number of things that I really found fascinating and made me very happy that Lisa joined us. But the first and foremost one is she charged the audience to the point that I think everybody is now showing gratitude to their employees, to their colleagues, and to each other.
I've had the pleasure of working with Lisa Ryan over the past couple of years, and she's fantastic. But what really helped was her ability to connect with our group who doesn't really like to talk. And she really pulled them out of their shell, and it was really great and had a lot of good feedback from our members. So really enjoyed working with her.
I was just totally blown away. In my 40 years in the business, I thought I knew everything. I've learned all new tricks to motivate employees, and I can't wait to get back. And it will not be the flavor of the month for me because I am going to follow through because the take-home value is incredible. I highly recommend Lisa.
And I really enjoyed Lisa's program, the energy she brought to the room, and just learning about different tips and tricks we can take back to our organization to help increase our engagement.
We had an amazing time with her, and so did all of our participants. We've been hearing nothing but great feedback and a lot of tangible takeaways as well. And Lisa worked with us from A to Z in the planning of the entire process.
This was phenomenal. If you have not experienced Lisa, you should definitely hire her to come and talk to your trainers, your trainees, people in the workforce. Just her delivery about what to do is very personable, and these are skills that not only we can use at work, but we can take home.
She motivated and inspired the entire group of 500 people that we had in attendance, and I would definitely book her again for another program.